Hello everybody, my name's Theo McArthur and let's take a look at how you make money with a blog. I've been blogging for 20 years and I have over 22,000 students. A really simple way to make money from a blog is by installing Google Adsense. And this is where Google places relevant ads on your blog and you get paid when your blog visitors click on the ads. So with Google AdSense, most bloggers would use this in conjunction with another way to make money, because generally you don't earn a lot of money from AdSense, but let's take a look at what's possible. So if we scroll on down, see how much you could earn from AdSense, select a region and select a category. So I'll just choose any category here, hobbies and leisure, and calculate. Now the potential annual revenue is $6,600 US, but that's not a guarantee of course, but it's what you could potentially earn. So that's one way, and it's a simple way of earning income from a blog. Another way, and a very popular way to earn an income, is through affiliate marketing. And one of the popular methods of affiliate marketing is the Amazon Associate Program. And this is where you can recommend Amazon products and get paid a commission whenever one of your visitors clicks on a banner or a link from your blog and purchases a product. And here are the commission percentages that you would earn when a purchase is made that originates from your blog. So as you see, we're looking at just a few percent, but this can really add up, because the great thing is that when somebody goes from your blog by clicking on a banner or a link to Amazon and makes a purchase, whatever they purchase, no matter how many items they purchase, you are going to get paid a commission on all of those items. But Amazon Associates is not the only affiliate program. There are many, many more. And there are websites like Share a Sale where you can link up with, and you can again place links and banners on your blog and get paid whenever one of your visitors clicks through from those links and banners and makes a purchase. There are 39 categories here and hundreds, in fact thousands of different brands with tens of thousands of different products. And there are many independent affiliate programs that you can look for. Example, if your blog was about gardening and you did a search for gardening affiliate programs, you might come up with this one here, Gardener's Supply Company. And this company pays up to 8% for any purchases that are made when a visitor clicks through from your blog and makes a purchase from the Gardener's Supply Company website. Okay, so that's just a quick introduction to how you can make money from a blog. Of course, if you have your own products or services, that's another option as well. And many bloggers use multiple options combined to maximize their income.